Morning.
We have a display license plate says. That normally means that there's only one plate on the vehicle. Is that your understanding? Is that why you got the ticket?
No, sir.
The other option would be that it had an expired license plate.
No, sir. I had two plates displayed on the vehicle.
Two different plates?
I'm sorry.
When you say, so what's your understanding?
Front and back.
I'm sorry?
Front and back. Tag doesn't expire until December 22nd of this year, 2016.
So you don't know why they gave you the ticket?
I have an idea why they gave me the ticket. I believe it's a violation of my constitutional rights under traveling in a private automobile, but I guess that will need to be disputed in front of a jury of my peers of 12.
Okay, well, you're not entitled to a jury trial for this charge because it does not kill any time in jail. Instead of a trial, would you like me to do that?
Yes, sir. I would still have to demand a jury trial if it involves inflicting any pains and penalties, which would be a bill of attainder, which is against my constitutional rights. There shall be no bill of attainder. I also demand the court to show proof of jurisdiction, oath of office be reaffirmed before we can proceed any further.
Well, I'm going to set this for trial on either November 17th morning or afternoon, or November 21st in the afternoon. There is no jurisdiction issue. You could raise that at trial if you so choose.
In front of a jury of my peers?
No, sir. Which date would you prefer?
In front of a jury of my peers?
Your motion for jury trial is denied.
Objection. Notice of instant appeal.
Procedurally, there's no right to an appeal until the case has been resolved. So,
I also expect this court of record to maintain its integrity to the oath of office it swore to take to uphold the Constitution of the United States of America, all treaties, and therefore my constitutional rights to a jury when there's a bill of penalty, pain or penalty, which would be a financial, I'm assuming, fine assessed upon me. I demand a jury. Therefore, if this court does not remain within the constitutional rights that it has the authority of, it is null and void and has absolutely no jurisdiction or authority, sir.
okay, either I'm going to pick a date or you can pick a date. It's up to you.
For a jury trial.
For a trial to the court.
Well, sir, I would need to see proper jurisdiction.
I'm going to set this for November 17th at 1:30 in the afternoon. If you don't show up, a license forfeiture or block on your license will be issued.
Would that be
That's
a,
material for you, sir. If you choose to pick it up, that's up to you.
may I ask the court of record if that is a threat of coercion and duress to force a contract or some type of bill of attainder upon me?
What the court's policy is. If you're there, that's for you if you want it. I'm going to call on that case. If you have any other questions, I suggest you consult with an attorney.
Nope, no further questions other than this court of record is out of constitutional authority. Thank you. You too. And that's how you do it, brother. Stay strong. Well, you just heard it. Completely out of constitutional rule of law and order. So, that is with the license plate. I'm going to a bench trial because it's going to be a fine assessed to me. So, November 17th, game on.
Hi, I have a 1:30 trial. Brian Koth, K-O-T-H. Thank you.
Ryan,
Hi, how are you?
Good, Melissa Bergman, I'm on the prosecutor.
Okay.
Do you currently have plates?
Oh, I had plates today. I was pulled over.
Okay. Did you have them on the vehicle,
Oh, yes, ma'am.
front and back?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Okay. Let's see. I don't know why, but Officer Kish does not have a subpoena for today, so if you want, I can either do, let's see, I mean, it's non-moving and doesn't carry any points. You can either plead to the charge, and I'll just recommend court cost only, no fine, or you can reset it and do a trial date on a different day with Officer Kish.
Yeah, it's because I contested it when I was here on the 3rd, so today I'm going to have to bill the city of Sylvania for my time if we're not going to
You
move
can't get
forward.
reimbursed for coming to court. There's nothing in the statute or civil remedies for getting reimbursed for coming. Even if you're a victim on a case, you don't get reimbursed for coming to court.
Well, I'll dispute that in front of the jury. I'm just making it
You
known.
can't take a jury on a minor misdemeanor. It's not permitted in the code.
Well, codes, rules, policies, statutes don't apply to me.
Okay, so if you want, go on down to the courtroom and I'll tell the judge that you're asking for dismissal.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. I'm ready to proceed with the hearing that was scheduled for today.
I understand that, and we didn't issue a subpoena for some reason, but, so I can't go forward, obviously, without a witness. So
Right.
I'm gonna ask for a new court date, you'll ask for dismissal, and then the judge will decide what he wants to do with it.
Yeah, fair enough. Yep,
Okay,
yep.
all right, so I'll send it on down. That way
Okay.
You don't have to hang out here too much longer.
Can I go outside and smoke a cigarette or?
Absolutely, because it'll take me
All
a
right.
minute to write this up. I'll send it down in the dumbwaiter. The clerk's office will get it. They'll call your name. So just basically, and when you're done having a smoke, clerk's office vicinity.
Okay.
You can check in and say, hey, I was just up there maybe 5 minutes ago. They probably sent my case down by now.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. At the table or to the? Right here? Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, the prosecutor indicated that they're simply recommending dismissal, either due to inadvertence in not subpoenaing the officer or simply electing not to proceed. They're unprepared to go forward and made that recommendation, so I'm accepting the prosecutor's recommendation, the case is dismissed. If you go.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Well, you just heard it. Case dismissed. I have now proven in a court of law the right to travel without a license plate. Now to pursue criminal charges. It's a great day in America when you can express the right to travel, which cannot be infringed upon. Your constitutional rights. You see that? I didn't have to say one word to the judge, and I'm free to go. All charges dismissed. That's what's up.